In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see what time someone viewed your Snapchat story. The ability to see when someone viewed your Snapchat story provides insights into engagement and posting strategies, but raises privacy concerns by compromising anonymity and control over activity. Visibility. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, tap on your profile icon to head onto your profile page. You will then have to select right here. On the Snapchat Plus features, scroll down to the very end and tap onto this last option of see what time your friends are viewing your story. Make sure to enable this feature on. When turned on, you will be able to see when someone viewed your Snapchat story. This feature is only available for Snapchat Plus users only. To access this feature, make sure to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. That's how easy it is to see what time your friends watched your Snapchat story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.